One of the most important skills you can have as an artist or a creator or just a general human being has absolutely nothing to do with the actual act of creating. But it's something that so many people are terrible at. I'm, of course, talking about taking constructive criticism. Now, this is something that's just pounded into you repetitively at art school, project after project, just tearing your work to shreds. But most normal people are never in a situation where they have to learn how to properly handle it. So let's dive in. My name is Chris Folea. I'll be your stream professor. Welcome to StreamSchool. Constructive criticism is something I used to personally struggle with hard, and something I still struggle with occasionally. When I was younger, I wasn't open to constructive criticism at all. I would just get really offended or hurt or completely shut it down or argue against it. When I was older, I handled it in the complete wrong way and just came across as defensive or ungrateful. And too often you hear content creators talking about the haters. Every time someone brings anything into question, you just hear, haters gonna hate, which some of the time, absolutely, haters gonna hate, not gonna deny that. But a lot of the time, they're missing out on really valuable feedback. What you need to understand about the people offering constructive criticism, most of the time, they're not attacking you or trying to hurt you or tear you down or hate on you. Most of the time, they're genuinely trying to help. Your critics are your biggest fans. They're trying to help you be better, and most importantly, they haven't given up on you yet. Randy Pausch said it best in his famous last lecture. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you watch it right after this one. Promise me. It literally changed my life. Cannot recommend it enough. Link in the description. But he said, your critics are your ones telling you they still love you and care, which is just such a great way to put it. Now, I've personally found the best way to take constructive criticism, and boy oh boy does this take practice, but the best way to take constructive criticism is to genuinely listen to their feedback and thank them for it. Whether you agree with their input or not, they took valuable time out of their day to offer you advice. If you argue or get all defensive over it, that gives them a bad experience and they'll be less likely to offer advice or feedback in the future. And who knows, maybe next time that'll be something that literally saves your project, or perhaps it'll even lead to your first $1 million. And you by no means have to actually accept their advice or use it on your project if you disagree. Absolutely not. Just listen to it and thank them. They don't need to hear 15 reasons why their idea sucks and belongs in a dumpster. That benefits no one. So while you're streaming, it's important to be able to take constructive feedback about how you come across to your audience or your overlay design, or literally just about anything. You want your stream to be the best it can be. And constructive feedback is how you grow and improve in all aspects of life. Personally, my friends' feedback has been absolutely priceless when I'm working on new animations or digital sets or emotes for my stream. I'll post them to Facebook and ask for feedback. It's always a good idea to get an extra pair of eyes on something. Anyway, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below the video if you found this video in any way, shape, form, or fashion even remotely helpful, and let me know what topics you want to see me cover in the comments below. Also, come hang out with us on Twitch every Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday when I'm live at twitch.tv/oraclefishlive. We genuinely have an incredible community. Until next time, my name is Chris Folea. I'm your stream professor. Class is out.